Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share to a one-of-a-kind, company-made computer software trading probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and trade updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. Oh, that's right, as old Vincenzo'S has brought back truth and, most importantly, integrity to the trading scene, right? And this is for all you XRP lovers out here. This is some good news for XRP. Colombian government launches national land registry on XRP ledger for over 50 million people. The Colombian government is in standing to take advantage of the XRP blockchain technology, right? According to recent reports, Ripple's partner, also a software and blockchain developer firm, revealed that it has launched the first national land registry on the XRP ledger, right? Some big news for XRP. For over 50 million Colombians, first national land registry on blockchain of XRP. The Barcelona-based firm revealed this in a tweet on July 1st, noting that it has been working on projects with the Colombian digital government, innovative, and the country's Ministry of Information Technology and Communications for over a year now. The project will be utilized by the country's national land agency using XRP Stamp, a blockchain-based that enables digital files and records to be verified and certified on the XRP ledger, XRPL. The information is then turned further stored on the blockchain. Authenticity is verified with the use of QR codes, right? Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Blockchain-based project on the ledger. Both firms appear to be twin companies working together to achieve common goal in the blockchain sphere. Despite regulatory uncertainty, 80% of Colombians show interest in crypto. The Latin America country of Colombia has been late to the party with regards to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency regulation, unlike the counterparties such as Argentina, Brazil, and El Salvador, which has defined regulatory premise and created a thriving environment for digital assets, right? So we'll see how this goes. There's some good news in a world of bad news in the crypto sphere, right? This is some good news for XRP. Getting the country to use your blockchain. Nevertheless, the lack of proper regulation has not deterred Colombians from owning or sharing an interest in crypto. Per data from AAA, 6.1% of Colombian population owned cryptocurrency in 2021, and 80% showed interest. So that's some good news for XRP, right? Not all bad. I'm not all poo-poo on XRP. I'm the blockchain technology breaking news crypto insider here. I give you all the news, good, bad, the ugly, and anything in between, right? Ooh, crypto firms in the United States have paid over $3 billion in fines with the SEC. That's not good. So there's some good news, there's some bad news, right? But if we want to look at the total crypto market cap, look at what was going on here to see where the crypto market cap's going in a technical basis, right? Look at this. Look what we had going on up here. And the weekly, look what we could be having going on here, though. We have a pattern, maybe with inside of a pattern, right? We could be having big left shoulder, big head, neckline, maybe a potential big right shoulder, right? But if we look in the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, nope, the daily. That is the weekly. We want the daily time frame. You can see in the total crypto market cap, it appears to be we had a horizontal neckline. See that? See the neckline? Right? Then we had maybe a left shoulder, a head, a mini right shoulder, which you could say is a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. And then you go from the top of the head to the neckline, point of a breakout, and you can see we hit the targeted move beautifully out of that. So we fulfilled the technical pattern there, right? See that? That doesn't mean that it can't go down, though. It can still go down farther. Because if we look at what we got going on here in the total crypto market cap, we can bring our volume indicator out, which is all the way over here, fixed volume profile range, and then we go up to the top, and bam, that's where it's looking like the total crypto market cap's going to come. And this could be where you try to form a temporary bottom, right? When the total crypto market cap gets down there, and then we're going to go ahead and lock that because you don't want to move it. This is where it's clone. You could get a temporary bottom, right? And maybe have a nice rally. We'll put this right in the middle of that, and that's sitting at 102.595 billion dollars, right? In the total crypto market cap. And from the top, with our industry exclusive measuring tool, that would be a 94% collapse in the total crypto market cap. Now let's just take the last pump in 2018 when you crashed, you went down 91%, right? So if we go down 91% from the last peak, that brings you right to about into this range. And see that? This candle, this is where there is some volume, but notice how in here, come on. See right in here? There's not a lot of volume in there. And this is your first little sneaky candle you get sticking out of there. So this could have some support right there. But I'm thinking this is coming down to here. And then say you did something like this. That wouldn't be too good because that could be, in the macro picture, a massive head and shoulders topping reversal pattern. To where if you took that, a head and shoulders within a head and shoulders, you would take that from the top to the potential neckline that is months away from forming, if this is even to be the case. Come on. To the point of the breakout, and look where that would get you. All the way down to $2.03 billion, and that would be a catastrophic flush. So we're going to leave this on here as this is a potential pattern. And this, if you link this in to the cryptos, right? If you link this into the cryptos, the Bitcoin specifically, you can see where this might give you a nice buying opportunity, right? Knowing what the crypto market cap, where is that at on Bitcoin? Look at that. All the way down there at $1,608. And I know a lot of you are saying, there's no way that could happen. But old Vincenzo's here to tell you that absolutely could happen. And that is exactly what old Vincenzo's watching. As we're going to link all this together for you to get you out ahead of the competition. And if you want to know a great spot to hodl, to reposition, or not reposition, but to add to your stack, that would be a phenomenal spot to add to your stack, right? Spot number one would be the A spot. The ace in the hole would be down there if it ever got there. And spot number two is down up here. Oops, we don't want that. Is up here. We need to get rid of some of this nonsense. Not get rid of it, but just, come on. Why does it have to do that? Use that. There we go. Dull them out into the background. We need to dull some of these out. Go like that. Go like that. Come into here. Do something like that. And, oh, wait, let me get it. We'll dull that one out. And you can see that would be a nice area. These are your two areas to watch, right? Your first area of a target is down here. at $9,850, right? But we still have that 13,336. So that could be a spot where if you're a long-term holder and you believe in Bitcoin, this could be a great spot to parcel your way in at 13,336. Your second parceling in at 9,851. And then if it ever got down to here in a catastrophic liquidation, right, which we're already having these major exchanges go out, $1,608 would be where you would go all in if you think Bitcoin is going to recover. And then XRP, I know you guys are all wondering where these great buying opportunities are. If you're a long-term holder or a swing trader or anything in between, right? These are the areas. If you are an XRP guy, I just gave you some good news about XRP, right? But if you're an XRP guy looking for great buying opportunities, old Vincenzo is going to take care of you right now, right? These are where you should be buying or parceling your way in on XRP. If we get zoom into here, you can see right now we're almost coming down to our 19-cent target. So that would be that'd be spot number one that you start buying, 19 cents. Why? Because we've had a technical target since we were in this rising wedge or symmetrical triangle up here. See this right now for 2021, and we broke out of it in the end of May of 2022. And old Vincenzo was saying all in here when it was pumping, it's coming down there. When it was consolidating, it's coming down there. When it pumped again, it's coming down there, right? So this would be a great spot for you, my beautiful audience. If you're an XRP maximalist and you like this would be a great spot to start parceling in, 19 cents, right? And then if it got down to this next underneath support at 5 cents, would be another, that's where you'd probably want to go all in, as that would be pretty close to your all-time low. But 19 cents where that arrow is, off of this technical targeted move that we've went over this ad nauseum for 8-9 months, when you fulfill a pattern, that's a great spot to start to accumulate, right? And that gets you
right down there into that range, the 19, 20 cents, right? See that? I just got it. I got this thing. Oh my God. See that? It's just I gotta below it to keep it out. But the 19 cents on that technical targeted move would be a great spot to start accumulating massively if you're an XRP maximalist and you've been accumulating for a long time, and especially if you've been